Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm walking you through how to use pCloud Transfer, a free, no account needed service to send large files up to 5 GB securely. It's super easy and I will show you step by step how to share files via emails or a link. Let's dive in. First, head to transfer.pcloud.com. You will see a clean interface with a big box to add files. No need to sign up or log in. That's the beauty of pCloud Transfer. You can send files to anyone with an email address and the files stay available for 7 days before expiring. It is perfect for sharing big videos, photo albums or work documents without the hassle account creation. Step 1. Upload your files. Click the plus icon to open your file explorer or just drag and drop files into the box. You can add multiple files as long as the total is under 5 GB. For example, I'm uploading a video and some PDFs. Once they are uploaded, you will see them listed. If you are sending sensitive stuff, here is a pro tip. Click encrypt your files in the top left corner, enter a strong password, repeat it and hit enable encryption. Only the recipients with that password can open the files, adding an extra layer of security. Just share the password separately like via text or call. Step 2. Choose how to share. You have got two options. Option 1 is transfer via email. Enter up to 10 recipient email addresses in the send to box and your email in the from box and include an optional messages like here is a project file. Check the privacy policy box, then hit send files. The recipients get an email with a download file and you will get a notification. The recipients get an email with a download link and you will get a notification when they download. Option 2 is get a link to share. Enter your email, accept the privacy policy and click get link. You will receive an email with a shareable link to send. For encrypted files, remind your recipients to use the password you shared. You will get an email when the transfer is done and if someone downloads your file, you will be notified. One thing to note, individual encrypted files can't exceed 200 MB, but you can still hit the 5 GB total limit. Also, don't close your browser during the upload or the transfer with cancel. A few tips to make it smooth. Use a stable internet connection for faster uploads. pCloud speeds are solid, but encryption can slow things down a bit. If you are sending to non-techie folks, explain the password process clearly. And if you need to send bigger files or want more features like zero knowledge encryption, pCloud Transfer is free, easy and beats Gmail's 25 MB limit or WeTransfer's 2 GB cap, especially with that password protection. And that's it. pCloud Transfer is a quick, secure way to send large files without the fuss. Go to transfer.pcloud.com, upload your files, choose email or link sharing and you are done. Try it out and let us know how it goes in the comments. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tips and we will see you in the next one. Stay connected folks.